Akshat. I'm part of a recruitment team and I'm a recruiter for say close to 7 years, I could say, by this June ending. And I do work for a company called T Connectivity, which is a manufacturing based company and a product based company as well. This journey actually started like quite some time back, like maybe a 1 year back, where I was exploring apart from recruitment what else I could do. And the one field that I was choosing was analytics, which even in the room that we were discussing on. So that time we were building some tools, we had some challenges, and luckily or fortunately, there was a person named Divakar from CHRMP. I just saw that Instagram post, and that's where I got to know there was some course called Gen AI. Then I thought of exploring it. And the moment the started, maybe the first two sessions were more of general, but the moment the bot creation things started, that's where it shifted my entire approach, or say the vision towards ChatGPT, like what all boundaries that can break in terms of our work style, or say the work that we do, kind of. And the idea model that was a mind-blowing thing, seriously, if I need to say. And Indrani has given a very lot insightful session on it, where the flipping game on what the chat gpt can do, or not specific to chat gpt but any gpts that matters. It was really helpful, and I believe the insight, like, impact has already been started in my current organization as well as personally to me. Definitely, I've already mentioned it. I've already mentioned it to my manager as well, because this was a company sponsored one, and he was just asking me what is this going to be useful for, because I was telling him that no, I may need to go towards analytics, and then he was asking why do you want to go with this Gen AI things. It is not going to be cup of your coffee. I told let me try, and then I can give you the ROI for sure. But then I have achieved more than that, and maybe next week I do have a meeting with him. So yeah, I would definitely be going and speaking about this, because the bot that we have created, a similar model that is already in use for past 1 week for our own team with an internal team, and we are working on that. So yes.